In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find the email ID in the Google Drive. Someone is sharing the files, but you are not able to access their email ID. That I'm going to tell you, it is very easy to find the email ID from the Google Drive link which shared by someone else. In the freelancing sites, whenever someone is sharing the files to check their work, to check their portfolio, but you are not able to get the email IDs, that how to contact them. So that I'm going to tell. Let's dive in. So in the site, this is the Google Drive link. Someone is shared by that, and these are the files shared, and someone portfolio is there. So see, this owner is there, but you're not able to access the email ID. What is the email ID? Now how to contact them? So what you need to do here, in the three dot buttons, you need to click it, and here file information, and go to the details. And in the details section, if you come down, you will see the owner, the whole email ID is written over there, and even modified by the owner, that email ID is written over there. So this is the way you are able to find the email ID from the Google Drive link which is shared by someone. So if you like the video, like, share and press the hype button. More tech details are coming up. Stay tuned with us. Goodbye.